If you can't log in, it's almost always one of these, and most are not your fault. What's actually happening? Based on latest reports, fixes. Shahar 1. Network server handshake failure, most common. Errors like 6002 network failure, stuck on loading. This means, open quote, your device can't properly connect to Ubisoft servers, close quote. 2. Servers region issue, very common right now. From real players, some regions, especially Asia, are buggy or overloaded. Login fails even if your internet is fine. Open quote, same can't log in Asia server, disconnecting constantly. Translation, close quote. 3. Cache update bug, stuck at 99% update. Infinite loading, caused by corrupted game files. Best fixes, try in this order. 1. Switch network, this fixes most cases. Wi-Fi, mobile data, or mobile data, Wi-Fi. This alone fixes login for many users. 2. Use a VPN, very effective. Connect to Germany, Netherlands. Why it works. Changes your route plus region, bypasses server ISP issues. Change server region. If option appears, switch from Asia, Europe, or America. Helps when one region is broken. 4. Clear game cache. On Android, settings, apps, Division Resurgence, storage, clear cache, not data. Fixes, stuck loading, login freeze. Number 5, restart, clean launch, close all apps, restart phone, open game only. Background apps can block connection. Number 6, change DNS at VIX. Use 1.11.11 Cloudflare 818.88. Google fixes ISP routing problems. Important, you are not banned. Your account is safe. This is not a password issue. It's mostly network plus server region problems. Real talk. This is similar to your FaceIt, Ubisoft Connect issues. Your network ISP route is likely causing problems with game servers. I can fix it 100%.